Okay, I wasn't sure where I was going to start on this hallway here, but then I came down and I said, well, I need to cut the little extra piece of vinyl along there. So I cut the little piece of vinyl and said, well, there's a nice straight edge, I'll start there. So first phase on this is to second phase, cut all the pieces. So this is all stuff I had left over. Cut them down. I'm going to go ahead and cut this edge over here like that. This floor will have to come up eventually anyway. Beat that. This is all 3/4 inch plywood. Filling all the holes. Anyway, it's uniform is the last one that was attached, so the rest of them will get all tried down. You can see I got a nice flat, stable floor now. When I put the flooring in, it's going to be one of the next things. Go ahead and continue the flooring in the kitchen. It's going to be that different color, but yeah, it'll work. And then take it all the way through the hallway here. And see what happens from there. I went ahead and did the bathroom floor and the waterproof stuff. I think I'm going to do a little video on what happened over there. This is waterproof supposedly. It's plastic basically, so we'll see what happens when I continue on. Anyway, next step's pull this up and get some great stuff, seal up everything around the corners and stuff, and then make note of where the floor joists are so I can screw it all down, and great stuff will stick it too, so it'll also seal up all the little holes. But it's raining today, so I get some more great stuff anyway, so that's probably going to do it on this part for today. Okay, in preparation for the hallway, I filled up the return with a nice big chunk of 2-inch foam, nice and tight in there. I'm going to put a little heavy-duty liquid nails in there. This floor is all uneven and softish in some spots, so I'm going to bring it up to match this 3/4 inch plywood over here. I'm going to use some great stuff around the corners. The hole over there, you got to take care of the hole there. I'm going to bring it out to this edge over here. I got to mark where the joists are. That's where I'll put long screws. As long as I get those in there, the rest of them will just, it's going to be glued down pretty much anyway. It's got some meat in there that'll hold the screws. So I got everything cut up, so let me go mark where my screws are going to go, foam it, put all those pieces in place, and we'll get this base of this taken care of. Okay, there it is, glued and screwed is the way I like to put it. Foam around the edges, screwed down with 2.5 inch screws, especially through where the joists are, only a couple places. Now I got a solid 3/4 inch everywhere from in here all the way out. Now, if you really look at it, it's not exactly level and flat. It is flat, but I think there's a low spot right there, but I'm not going to tell you that. You can't see it. So that's ready for some flooring of some sort. So where I should start at this point is come back in here and continue my laminate floor across the kitchen. Continue on down the hallway here at least to here. Normally do this in that waterproof stuff since it's at the washing machine. But for now, yep, that was the door popping open. No ghosts here. Alright, that's it for this evening, and I'll be back to start doing some flooring, I guess.